I have this new fragrance from Lattafa. There you see the name, Zanzibar. So I'm going to do a quick unboxing and give you my first impression. Asad. The box is big and bulky. So my daughter boyfriend did actually bought this fragrance, and he's saying that he don't like it. My daughter also is saying she don't like it because it smells like lotion. So I'm just giving you a quick unboxing. Alright, the box feels very smooth. Alright. The box smells really fresh and nice. Wow. Look at this cute bottle. Wow, very cute. Look at it. Asad Zanzibar by Lattafa. Okay. Wow. Oh, this is fresh. Alright, so I'm gonna make this dry down a little. I'm gonna give you a quick rundown of the notes. Top note, lavender, black pepper. Middle note, coconut water, Irish, salt. Base note, vanilla and incense. Look at this very cute bottle. I'm getting the black pepper. And the coconut water, I'm getting salt. And it kinda have a lotion smell for real. I think this is something that you have to make masquerade. I really like the bottle, it's very cute though. Very cute. And it smell a bit tropical. I'm starting to get the Irish. I'll spray some on my hand. And it is also strong. It is very strong. I don't think you're gonna need a lot of spray with this. Definitely getting some tropical vibes. But I'm getting like salty, creamy, coconut, incense. You know, that is what I'm getting overall. It kind of smells weird in some sense. It is kind of unique. It is really kind of unique. And it does have a lotion smell. Lotion, smell like lotion in a sense. And this is an original fragrance, you know, from Lattafa. But I really love the bottle though. So this is it for now, and I'll give you a review in the coming weeks.